Hello everyone. So today the concept we are going to discuss is value chain analysis. It is a part of strategic cost management. We all know what is cost accounting and management accounting. So it's a part of a strategic cost management, that is managing the cost strategically. That means adapting some activities in order to reduce the cost of any particular activity in the production process or the whole activity of a production process. Also, adding the value of a product to meet out the competitions prevailing in the market. That is strategic cost management. So company adapting some strategies to reduce the cost for any particular activities of the whole process of producing a product or the whole process itself. They are following some strategical methodology in order to meet out the competition. Here, value chain analysis is one of the important steps in strategic cost management. Based on value chain analysis only, we can adapt the strategic methodology while calculating the cost of any product. So let me see what is value chain analysis. It is a process in which a firm recognizes and analyzes all the activities and functions that contributes to the final product. In order to produce a product, what are all steps involved? What are all activities involved? That will be minutely followed, and adapting some strategy in order to make it more effective. So that is the value chain analysis meaning. That means it depicts the manner in which customer value accrues along the activity chain that results in the final product or services. So it identifies what customer is valuing on the product. So taking customers' preferences about the product, and based on that some strategic methodology will be adopted, and that adds the value of a final product. Then it is also a series of internal process or activities a company performs to design, produce, market, deliver and support its product. Yeah, value chain analysis is nothing but series of analyzing the series of activities right from designing a product and for processing the production methodology steps of a product, and even marketing a product and even delivering the product. Okay, analyzing all these throughout and finding out where the values of a product can be increased based on the customer preferences. Okay, so concentrating only on such particular thing, okay, result what we derived from value chain analysis, that gives two result. One, it reduces the cost of a product. Another one, it increases the value of the product. Value means customer value, customer preferences on the product. So in simple we can say value chain is an activity all the way from basic raw material sources, from component suppliers through to the ultimate end use product delivered to customer. Its main objective is to help in increasing customer service by managing cost. So by reducing a cost and increasing the value which customer has on a product is possible only through value chain analysis. Second objective, coordination of individual parts of a value chain activities creates conditions to improve customer satisfaction in terms of cost efficiency. So coordinating all the individual activities which is derived from the value chain analysis and creating and taking steps to improve and ultimately it satisfies the customer by reducing the total cost. Third objective, a firm which performs value chain activities more efficiently and at a lower cost that its competitor will able to gain competitive advantages. That is, when compared to the competitors, a company which applies the value chain analysis and works more efficiently will enjoy the competitive advantages. Next one, what are all the activities involved in value chain analysis? Primary activities, support activities. You can do analysis with regard to uphold the value of a product on the basis of customers' preferences. You can follow this in two activities. As a primary activity also you can follow, as a support activities also you can follow. What are all the primary activities? Inbound logistics, first one. While buying a raw material itself, analyzing and purchasing the high quality product with low cost. That is an example of inbound logistics. Second one, operation activity. While producing a product, the process of production itself, doing an analysis and finding out where customer, for which part customer is giving more importance, giving concentration in that particular part, and the other things and all can be concentrated to reduce the cost. Then third one, outbound logistics, distributing finished products to the market. So that is outbound logistics. Once the product is over, that should be distributed to the customer. Okay, so doing some analysis, finding out which is best suitable to satisfy or to deliver a product on time or to fulfill the expectation of the customer with regarding delivery process. So such thing can be carried out. Then marketing and sales. Value chain analysis can be applied in marketing the product or in selling the product. Next one, customer services. Yes, value chain analysis can be carried out in the various services that is provided to the customer, and finding out ultimately which is highly valued by the customer and giving concentration on that, and the rest of the things we can try to reduce the cost. Next one, support activities. So with regarding support activities, procurement. So where the raw materials, high quality raw materials with low cost is available, doing analysis in that. Then human resource management. How employees can be utilized, or the effort, skill and time of employees, how it can be utilized productively with low wages, with low labor hours. So that is value chain analysis. Next one, technology and development. Applying the high sophisticated technology in low cost, which ultimately satisfies the customers, also differentiates from the competition.